Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest tech reviews and insights.
Today, we're diving into the world of live streaming with the YoloLiv YoloBox Ultra, hailed as the ultimate horizontal, vertical live streaming equipment switcher, encoder, recorder, and monitor.
What sets the YoloBox Ultra apart? Let's explore. With support for up to 3 horizontal and 2 vertical streaming destinations simultaneously, the YoloBox Ultra lets you reach a wider audience across platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and more.
Experience stunning 4K Full HD streaming with seamless integration of switcher, monitor, encoder, and recorder functionalities. Whether it's sports events, weddings, or educational seminars, the Ultra delivers impeccable performance.
From Wi-Fi and Ethernet to 4G LTE and USB modems, the Ultra ensures robust network bonding for uninterrupted streaming, even in challenging network conditions. Capture all video inputs and program video separately, with customizable resolution, frame rate, and bitrate settings. This offers flexibility for post-production editing and ensures high-quality content creation. Enjoy built-in graphic overlays, video cropping, instant replay, and auto-switching capabilities, all designed to elevate your streaming experience and engage your audience effectively. But what about the fan noise issue? Rest assured, after recent updates, the fan noise has been significantly reduced, ensuring a quieter streaming experience. In summary, the YoloLiv YoloBox Ultra stands tall as the pinnacle of live streaming technology, offering unmatched versatility, performance, and ease of use. And with a price tag that reflects its premium quality, it's a worthy investment for content creators and professionals alike. That wraps up today's review of the YoloLiv YoloBox Ultra. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and insights. Until next time, happy streaming!